Okay, so this is called the Purple Parrot Party Place. But I don't see any purple parrots or any places to party. Oh, there's something in here.
Wait, where's this go? Like, these like the
Invitation. Hi there, you have been invited to a party at the Purple Palace. We will be getting together later today. Hope to see you there.
I don't know, I'm in this purple thing, I'm going
Pete the
up.
Parrot.
Oh, that's gay. That's
With the elytra
stupid.
equipped, jump
Wait.
while in the air to fly. While flying,
That's
use
stupid.
firework
It doesn't
rockets
go
to
anywhere.
get a speed boost.
That's stupid. This doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Whoa, 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 I went too fast.
I
didn't know you could do that. If you use firework rockets and you have the wings, then you could like...
Oh, God.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Knock it off.
Knock it off.
choking.
You're okay. Dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum.
I don't know where the Purple Palace is.
I don't know what I
Oh wait,
am.
I see a beacon. I see a purple beacon.
Yeah, I don't go in it. It doesn't lead anywhere.
Are you serious?
Just lead straight up. I think I found the palace. Found the palace.
Where are you?
I don't know.
There's no maps.
Found the palace.
The map. That's not purple.
There's some purple banners on it.
There's purple all over it. I don't know. Yeah, see it. There's it. There's a purple parrot in it.
Purple pear.
Is that Pete the Parrot?
It's Pete the Pigeon.
Pete the
You know what?
Pigeon.
You know, I'm gonna build a house beside it.
What is it with you in building houses?
Cause I'm creative.
Where's the palace?
He's just destroying things. Looks like he keeps going up, Nicholas. It goes higher and higher.
Who, me?
Him. Oh wait, which side are you on?
I'm on the left.
Oh no, I think you already passed it, Nicholas.
I'm trying to find it.
I saw purple streamers coming down.
Nicholas.
I'm stuck in this jungle and it's not loading. I think I'm on the wrong side then if it's not loading, because it would have already loaded on yours.
Dude, if you walk...
Oh wait, I see a parrot. Am I close? What's this?
Oh my
You have to sail away.
Oh, is it in the... Oh, is it in the snow at the top?
Yes.
Do I need to climb?
There's like stairs on the side. They come like right here, there's like stairs leading down.
Throw something at us, they know who you are.
Oh, I
There,
found it!
Yay!
Yay! Where's Pete the Parrot?
Well, you gotta destroy the place.
I'm not destroying the place. I'm shooting some fireworks.
Oh, yeah, there's some chests. What's in the chest? Oh, some of that and that.
Chief Indented.
Nicholas, where's Flint look like?
Huh?
Where's Flint look like?
What, are you looking for flint and steel?
Oh, found it.
No, don't blow it up.
I'm not.
Yeah, blow it up, blow it up.
Yes, you are. Pete the Parrot was kind enough to invite us, and you're gonna blow the place up?
Shh.
You have to know.
I gotta find Pete the Parrot. I'm tattling on you.
Well, now you can find out where he's blowing stuff up.
Huh?
Now you can find him in there and beat him up. Do it yourself. Wait for the explosion.
How did I die? Wait, why am I not creative anymore?
He took you out of it.
I have control of what the game mode is, I guess. I could just change it from default to regular. I gotta find Pete the Parrot. Oh, there's another beacon. I found a parrot. Are you Pete? You're not purple though.
Punch him.
Punch the parrot.
Punch the parrot.
Punch the parrot.
You killed him.
Oh my god, he gave me a feather.
Pete's not gonna be happy with you.
I think that was.
killed my son.
I think that was Pete.
You're talking about him. He's just blowing up the place. You went and killed him.
Oh wait. Oh, I think I found it. Armor stands can change their pose. Sneak and click on them. Whoa. He's dancing.
Yeah.
What?
Time
Okay.
to eat. Everybody.
Hey, I found him. Whoa.
Anthony. Supper's ready. Chris.
Nicholas, dinner's ready. Let's go.
I found the parrots. I'm having a party.
Let's go. I'm gonna kill you.
Uncle John, look, I found the parrots. I don't know which one Pete is though.
You gonna punch them all now? Vicious bastard.
Come on, Nicholas.
Oh no, one of them had a name tag and I think it said Pete on it and I just killed him. Oh no.
I'm not gonna tell Granny.
What, that I killed Pete the parrot?